Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to enable announcement bar on Squarespace. The first thing you need to do once in your Squarespace website, you are going to tap on marketing from the menu option on the left hand corner. After selecting marketing, you will see the option announcement bar. You are going to tap on that. After selecting it, you will be redirected to this page. And from here you will see display announcement bar on the left hand corner, and you can simply tap on enable announcement bar, and then you will see this is an announcement. So here you could add the text that you would like to add, and you can see at the top they are showing you the example of how it will look on your Squarespace website. And once you are finished, you'll simply tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.